What if the 360 camera game just got flipped overnight? For months, the Insta360 X5 had us hooked. Smooth, sharp, seemingly untouchable. But out of nowhere, quietly dropping a bombshell. Hold my gimbal. This isn't late-night Reddit speculation. This is real. It's bold, and it might just be Insta360's worst nightmare. Now, let's talk about the launch. They played the long game. For weeks, the release date was anyone's guess. First, the whispers pointed to July 15th. Then it shifted to July 29th. Leaks from trusted insider Jasper Ellens, yes, the same guy who probably dreams in embargoes, only added fuel to the fire. But now it's official. DJI has confirmed the OSMO 360 will launch on July 31st. 2025. No more speculation, no more guesswork. The date's locked and the countdown is on. Alright, now for the juicy bit, the sensors. DJI slapped 1-inch 360 imaging all over the box like it's the holy grail. Naturally, we all freaked out. Dual 1-inch sensors? That's action cam royalty. But deep breath, the fine print whispers something a little different. Oof. That's like ordering Wagyu and getting gourmet tofu. Still tasty, but not what your heart wanted. Most likely DJI's pulling some smart sensor math here, maybe using 2 slightly smaller sensors to mimic the performance. Not ideal, but not a deal breaker either, especially if the end result looks as stunning as the X5. Let's be honest, this is the first time throwing real punches in the same ring. Until now, DJI ruled the skies and Insta360 ruled the selfie stick source. Is DJI's opening move in a new war for content creators? If stabilization is on par with their legendary rock-steady tech, and if those sensors, even if not technically 1 inch, deliver that crispy, buttery clarity, this camera could redefine what a creator's everyday rig looks like. And hey, if DJI can make it play nice with drones, we might be looking at the birth of a whole new ecosystem. So what's confirmed and unapologetically DJI? It looks like it belongs in the future, and maybe it does. Leaked manuals and promo art all line up with the product we've been dreaming about. Expect magnetic mounts, modular capabilities, and the kind of seamless user interface that DJI has practically patented by now. What we're not sure about? Price, battery life, software tricks? Will it rival Insta360's flow state magic, or offer something completely new like voice control, smart framing, or even drone integration? DJI's playing its cards close, but make no mistake, this isn't a side project. It's a full-blown declaration of war. So here we are, 2 titans, 1 crown. DJI's OSMO 360 might not be a perfect slam dunk, but it's definitely a wake-up call. If the image quality hits the mark and the user experience holds up, this could be the start of a very spicy rivalry. One thing's for sure, we win, because competition fuels innovation, and this battle is just getting started. Let the games begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss the next twist in this 360 showdown. Drop a comment. Are you switching teams or staying loyal? Let's talk about it below. See you in the next one.